I was looking for a tanning chair, and I was so happy whenever I came across this one because it has a face hole with it. It is made of high-strength Oxford cloth. It is waterproof for easy maintenance. It's soft and breathable for comfort, and it is tear resistant. I especially like this feature of the face hole because in chairs that I've had before for tanning, I would have my face pressed up against the mesh, or I'd have to turn my face sideways or make a support out of a towel, folded up or rolled up. So I really like this feature that this particular tanning chair offers with the face hole. If I want to use my cell phone, I can. If I want to read a book, I can. If I'm thirsty and I have a cup with a straw nearby, I can take a drink. Or if I just want to lay there completely face down and relax and enjoy the sun, I can. I also like how there are 5 lounging positions with this particular tanning chair. I can lay completely flat if I want to on my back or my stomach. And then there's different levels that I can elevate the headrest. And I really like that. I can use it for sunbathing, napping, reading, chatting, just out on my patio relaxing for the afternoon. 3 detachable pillows are included, and they have zippered covers, which I find extremely helpful when it comes to keeping it clean. I can just take the zipper covers off, wash them, put them back on. Here we see the dimensions of the tanning chair. You can also see the different level heights for the headrest. You can see the measurements of it completely folded for travel to take to the beach. This tanning chair is available in tan, blue, and blue stripe. This is something I'm definitely going to continue to enjoy throughout the spring and summer months. And if it's something you think you'd be interested in, it is available on Amazon, and the link will be in the description below.